guys, welcome back to another one, and this time we're gonna be working with the Veloster N, the black one. I'm gonna be removing from my trash Veloster the front end, just to put this so I can, make it work again, so I can send it to the paint job so they can paint the bumper and they can fix these things. The bumper came out so easy because we already got it loose, because we needed to move from the backyard to over here to the front, so that's the reason. I'm going to swap that because it's damaged right there. Alright guys, so we switched the intercooler because that one was damaged. It was working, but look at the front end. Now we're only missing the bumpers, which I got them. It's just that I'm gonna be taking the car so they can fix this and this with the bumper. Alright guys, see you on the next one.